All right, let's practice making turns in a parking lot, okay? What are we gonna do? Head through the turn. We're gonna keep a constant throttle, right? Nice and low. We're keeping our RPMs up. We're in first gear right now because we're going slow. We're not touching our clutch. We're not touching our brakes. If we need to slow down, what do? We roll off the throttle slightly. But what do we keep in mind? We keep in mind our RPMs and our speed. As long as we're going fast enough to not need to touch the clutch because we can avoid stall speeds, then we're good. When we're making these turns, left arm is nice and stiff. We're keeping and pushing that bike in the direction we want it to go. What's that called? Counter steering. Counter steering is Superman. Push the bike in the direction you want it to go. We want to go left, so we push left. Let's say we're newer and we want to take this slower, and we're like, oh no, I'm nervous making turns. So then what do? We're flirting. Flirting is what? Being sweet. So we're gonna lightly pull the clutch, lightly add the throttle. So that way we can make these at slower speeds. We'll just flirt. We're gonna lightly pull the clutch, lightly add in throttle, right? We get on these straightaways, we're just gonna let the clutch go. Get to the straightaways, we're gonna pull the clutch in, lightly add throttle. Okay, that's how we maneuver in low speed situations. In low speed situations, if we are turning, what are we doing? We're pointing the wheel. We're not counter steering. So if I want to turn, like let's say this U-turn, going nice and slow, we're pointing the wheel. We're keeping our butt nice and high, right? We're not leaning into that turn. You don't lean into low speed turns. Why? Because you'll tip, silly. That's it. Oh my god, it smells like vanilla right here. There have been so many smells on this ride. When I was on the freeway, it smelled like burnt popcorn, and right now it smells like vanilla. It's gonna be a good day. If this is my bike making these smells, Honda, we're gonna have to have a conversation about how I can make it keep smelling like vanilla. Okay, bike's locked up. We're good to go.